what's up buddy, how doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Birendra Bablu and today I'm here again at my field. You can see it's my village. It's a wheat plant everywhere. You can see it's now dry, ready for cutting. So I'm here again practicing my spoken English. So I think it's a good way to communicate yourself and so I come here outside of where no one and I speak myself in front of my mobile. So I record and I put it on YouTube so I can see my all struggles what I'm facing now. And so I uploaded one that was not quite good. So I practiced a lot, practice before shooting this because the first one was not quite good. So I was quite embarrassed. So friends, you can see I'm here with field and no one is here. You can see no one is here and I'm alone and no one is stopping me, no one judging me. As when I speak anywhere and people look at and when you are beginner and so you speak and you are not confident, so people look at and judge you. And beginner also think that I'm not, they don't have much confidence. So if you are confident, so you have to practice a lot. So go somewhere very outside where no one, so you can practice there. So I'm doing like this so you can see and also explain everything. So I'm explaining, so it's good because when we explain everything, not come in mind exact sentences, exact word, so our brain work there and it challenge our brain to create a new word and a thing. So I'm here, you can see wheat plant and you can see this is boring, this is wheat plant and this is mustard plant and mustard I'll cut it out and now only left wheat plants. So guys, I'm not sure I'm talking correctly because I'm beginner, so please correct me if I'm doing anything wrong. So it's good. Here I'm explaining and anyone is there. Some people, you can see there's some farmer going there and now it's time cutting wheat. So here wheat cutting, some farmers cutting there and here you can see boring. This types of boring we have here and people come here, electric motors and pump sets irrigate our crops. So here you can see this is big branches left and cut it quite up the mustard and here you can see this is wheat plants bundle, you can say that's a big bundle. So it's good when you give challenge your brain to work and so that's I'm giving and it's good. You when you talk in front of mirror that's there is good also, but when you speak in front of camera and if you will record and you will see it and then I think much better to evaluate your journey, your struggle, what you're facing. So I'm doing this. So you can see it's this field is empty, but here it was chana, we call this chana plant and this is sugarcane plants. So all you can see it's a sugarcane and there is a tractor going there and also there is a lot of farmers doing the works, cutting and binding this wheat plants. So I came here quite far from my village. So my village is there quite far, I think 1 kilometer. Oh, I think I'm here all alone, but some people are here. So it's empty, and speak whatever in your mind come. You speak, and when you see your video recorded, and then you think, and you correct yourself. So you can see there is mustard plant threshing there, and you can see this straw. And when you speak, you have to use new sentences, new words. So it also come in your mind, and some words not come in mind. And when you see your video, so you correct yourself, and you learn that particular word and sentence. So I came here, and now I'm going to my village. So it's good. I'm doing some jogging and looking at this nature, and also practicing my English. So I love, and I think my English is good, but I'm trying to speak like some natives, because I love the American accent. So I'm learning a little bit accent as well. So you can see all wheat plants ripen, and you can see this is quite good wheat plant, and you can see all dried, and it will cut by harvester machines. It's because it's all big farm. So you can see there is only wheat plants, not other crops. And also guys, if you do daily one video, and I think it will improve, and you will improve very soon. And within 1 month, if you do daily 10 minutes, only 10 minutes, not much, 10 minutes, you will see huge improvement on practice your spoken English, because practice makes perfect. As when you do practice, your improve your fluency, your communication skills. So guys, I came here. You can see there's mustard plants, and all mustard plants mind. You can see not come in my mind exact sentence, exact word, and it's collect. It's a bundle. You can say that's it's a bundle, and it will thresh in thresher. And also you can see this is the another field, and here it was lentil. So here it's a lentil plant, lentil bring out, and there's thresh. So it's now empty, and you can see this is mustard plant, and it's also cut it and thresh it. And that I think, because here not good way to come tractor or any machine, so that was left that field mustard. And now all is, you can see it's empty, because all crops bring out their home. And also there is garlic plants, and some less extra garlic. So guys, if you do like this, your English definitely will improve. So I'm doing this session. So when you do, you'll do very struggle, because I'm also doing struggle in speaking. So not coming in my mind exact sentence, exact words. So you can see I'm little bit stumbling and stopping middle of this conversation, middle of the. So it's good. When you do daily, you will improve. So that's why I'm doing, and it's a huge struggle I'm facing. Communication, like I'm not good. I'm beginner too, but when I speak someone, I speak well, but when I speak in front of camera and trying to record, then not good. So guys, let me comment how is the conversation, how is the session, and what I did some mistakes, and what I should do to do good. So guys, you can see I'm very close the way, and also guys, if you want to see my Hindi video, my local, so you can see my another YouTube channel, Virendra Bablu. So there you can see my Hindi, my blog channel. I make some blogs, some my village and some travel blogs. So, and this is Mr. Bablu English. It's only English. I'm improving my English, and some lifestyle video I'll make in the future. So please let me tell how's the video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.